Welcome to PA Timber Goose, yet another potato chip challenge. Today we have another Zapps brand of potato chips. This one is called New Orleans Kettle Style Cajun Dill-Gator Tators. This is one of the different flavors they have that are Cajun. There are a few more flavors, but this is my second bag of Zapps so far. We'll give this one a try. This one looks kind of interesting because it has an alligator on the front. Naturally and artificially flavored. Cajun Dill, Cajun Dill Gator Tators. Cajun Dill, I can't talk. It's a tongue twister for me. Cajun Dill-Gator Tators. Cajun Dill-Gator Tators. There, we got it this time. All right, let's give this a try. So the last bag had a pickle flavor with spices. It was kind of smoky on the side. I have Mrs. PA Timber Goose with me today, and she's going to give this a taste test also. We're going to try them at the same time. Got some secret spices in this one. I'm not sure what this is going to taste like. I'm not liking this one.
Tastes like a dill pickle.
Tastes like a dill pickle. That's probably why I don't like it. Oh, I'll eat one more. Take one for the team. Oh, hunting partner would love this. I am not a pickle guy. All right, here we go. My eyes are starting to water. This is like torture. No. No, no. That is not for me. No. How do you like them?
I like dill pickles.
She likes them. No, she's going to have the rest of the bag because I am not eating that. There we go. There we go. Another Zapps potato chip flavor. Oh. Cajun Dill-Gator Tators. Let me know if you tried this flavor of chips. No. Alright, thanks for watching PA Timber Goose. If you like this video, I can't stop laughing. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps the algorithm. And we will see you on the next video. Hit that subscribe button. Help my channel grow. And thanks for watching PA Timber Goose.